win, di ba? Yung execution, wala pa, yung tiwala, wala pa yung piyansa, kulang pa. So, we'll try to work on those. And second, third set, yun, execute naman tayo. Then, work lang kami, tuloy-tuloy lang.
Thank you, Coach. And for Chingy, best player of the game with 15 points. Personally, ano lang ba yung naging motivation mo in this game to help the team get this win?
Kasi nung last game po, yun yung kinuha na namin ng parang test na namin. So, yung para next game, ready na kami. And yun.
Thank you, Chingy. And for team captain, galing kayo sa dalawang magkasunod na 5-setter, tapos ngayon nakuha niyo to in straight sets. Ano lang din masasabi mo sa naging performance ng team tonight?
Marami pang kulang ng first set, but then we need to work on that. And also, I'm happy lang sa naging progress ng team, and ayun, tuloy-tuloy lang.
Thank you. And for Lea, yun nga, nakuha niyo itong win na to. Ano lang din yung masasabi mo sa naging overall performance ng tonight against sa akin?
Well, kada game naman, kailangan nang mag-learn talaga. So, learning experience, kumbaga. Kasi, yun nga, ilang beses kami nagka-5-setter game. Kailangan pa namin i-work on yung tapang sa loob ng court, individually and as a team.